This is a transfer case on a 2007 4Runner. It's the V6 model. All the videos I've seen are for the V8s that don't have the 3 rods. This one does have the 3 rods on it. And the other big thing I noticed when I pulled it apart was the synchronizer. When I pulled it apart, the synchronizer actually did come apart and these little guys fell out. So here, hold this way. But basically, I've already pulled the C-clips off this, the snap rings. It's got 2 snap rings that hold it in place, you can see in the other videos. And these are marked A and B. Now the big difference on the synchronizers, come over here, is once you slide it back, let's see, right now we are in 4. You have these little keys that will fall out. They snap in there. If you look, I've already marked this one, but you can see the notches that they ride in. And this, here's the notch on it. That'll ride right there. But that is the internals of the V6 2007 4Runner transfer case and actuator. Obviously the back part of the actuator has already been taken off because I broke it.